15 muscle cars that defined the 60s. Hey there, fellas. Welcome back to Auto Gems. Grab a coffee and let's roll into 15 muscle cars that defined the 60s, legends that shaped a decade of power. Number 15, the 1964 Pontiac GTO. Picture a kid in 1964 flooring this tri-power beast down Main Street, sparking the muscle craze. A 389 cubic inch V8 with 348 horses, 60 in 6 seconds, quarter mile in 13.8 seconds. Game changer roared. Cost $2,800 then, now $50,000 restored. Over 32,000 built, Pontiac's pioneer kicked it o. 3 Carbs sang this GTO's tale launched the 60s horsepower wars, loud and proud. Number 14. The 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396. Imagine a racer in 66 staging this big block beauty, crowd buzzing as it launches. A 396 cubic inch V8 with 375 horses, L78 option, hit 60 in 5.8 seconds, quarter mile in 13.6 seconds flat. Cost $3,600 then, now $65,000 clean. $3,099 got the L78. Chevy's mid-size monster ruled. Solid lifters, raw grunt. This Chevelle story defined mid-60s muscle might. Number 13. The 1968 Dodge Charger RT. Think of a gearhead in 68, cruising this Coke bottle bruiser, hidden headlights glaring. A 440 cubic inch V8 with 375 horses. 60 in 5.6 seconds, quarter mile in 13.3 seconds, style met power. Cost $3,800 then, now $90,000 restored. Over 17,000 RTs built, Hemi rarer still. Dodge's menace rolled. This Charger's tale of 60s swagger still echoes through every rumble. Number 12, the 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Picture a drag fan in 69, rolling this shaker hood pony to the strip. Dust flying, a 428 cubic inch V8 with 335 horses, near 400 tuned, hit 60 in 5.5 seconds, quarter mile in 13.2 seconds sharp. Cost $3,700 then, now $70,000 pristine. Over 40,000 built, Cobra Jet a standout, Ford's Wild Horse galloped. This Mach 1 story stamped the decade's end. Number 11, the 1967 Shelby GT 500. Imagine Shelby in 67 tweaking this big block beast in his shop, grinning at its roar. A 428 cubic inch V8 with 355 horses, closer to 400. Hit 60 in 5.7 seconds, quarter mile in 13.3 seconds flat. Cost $4,500 then, now $150,000 rare. 2048 built. Mustang's king roared loud. Shelby's touch shone. This GT 500's tale ruled 60s performance lore. Number 10. The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS. Think of a teen in 69. Dreaming of this Hugger orange screamer parked outside school. A 396 cubic inch V8 with 375 horses, 60 in 5.9 seconds, quarter mile in 13.5 seconds, bowtie grit. Cost $3,500 then, now $65,000 clean. Over 37,000 SS models, big block a prize. Chevy's Pony Killer danced. This Camaro's tale lit up the late 60s. Number 9, the 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner. Picture a racer in 68 beeping this cartoon-inspired beast, crowd chuckling till it flies. A 383 cubic inch V8 with 335 horses, 60 in 6 seconds, quarter mile in 13.8 seconds. Fun met fury. Cost $3,000 then, now $60,000 restored. Over 44,000 built, Hemi rarer still. Plymouth's budget king ran. This Roadrunner's tale defined 60s muscle humor. Number 8. The 1966 Oldsmobile 442 W30. Imagine a gearhead in 66. Staging this quiet olds, crowd stunned as it rockets a 400 cubic inch V8 with 360 horses, 60 in 6 seconds, quarter mile in 13.6 seconds, subtle power. Cost $3,300 then, now $60,000 rare. Just 54 got the W30. Ram Air Scoop hid the beast. Olds sleeper shone. This 442's tail carved a 60s niche. Number 7. The 1969 Dodge Super Bee. Think of a Mopar fan in 69 snagging this budget brawler, grinning at its six-pack growl. A 440 cubic inch V8 with 390 horses, 60 in 5.6 seconds, quarter mile in 13.2 seconds flat. Raw grit. Cost $3,300 then, now $60,000 clean. 1,907 built. Dodge's Coronet King punched hard. This Super Bee's tail buzzed through the decade's end. Number 6. The 1965 Ford Falcon Sprint. Picture a drag king in 65. Rolling this compact surprise to the line, rivals going till it flies. A 289 cubic inch V8 with 271 horses, 60 in 6.5 seconds, quarter mile in 14 seconds sharp, light and lethal. Cost $2,600 then, now $40,000 restored. Over 10,000 built, Sprint a rare kick. Ford's sleeper galloped. This Falcon's tail shocked mid-60s strips. Hey, if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more content. We've got plenty more automotive treasures coming your way. Number 5. The 1969 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Imagine a hippie in 69 flooring this white beauty, blue stripes blazing in the sun. A 400 cubic inch V8 with 335 horses. Ram Air 3 hit 60 in 6.2 seconds, quarter mile in 13.9 seconds flat. Cost $3,800 then, now $70,000 rare. 697 built, 8 convertibles rarer still. Pontiac's Wild Bird Sword. This Trans Am's tail closed the 60s loud. Number 4, the 1968 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. Think of a vet in 68 cruising this sculpted vet, chrome gleaming under streetlights. A 427 cubic inch V8 with 435 horses, 60 in 5.5 seconds, quarter mile in 13 seconds flat. Sleek power. Cost $4,800 then, now $90,000 clean. Over 28,000 built, big block a prize. Chevy's Sports Star stung. This Stingray's tail ruled late 60s roads. Number 3, the 1966 Buick Skylark GS. Picture a Buick fan in 66, rolling this sleeper to the drag strip, surprising the big boys. A 401 cubic inch V8 with 325 horses, 60 in 6.4 seconds, quarter mile in 14 seconds sharp. Quiet grunt. Cost $3,200 then, now $50,000 restored. 9,934 built. GS badge hid the beast. Buick's Dark Horse ran. This Skylark's tail carved 60s muscle quietly. Number 2, the 1969 Plymouth Barracuda 440. Imagine a gearhead in 69 snagging this Cuda over a Hemi, grinning at the deal. A 440 cubic inch V8 with 390 horses, 60 in 5.4 seconds, quarter mile in 13.1 seconds flat, underrated fury. Cost $3,500 then, now $70,000 rare. Fewer than 1,000 got the 440, Plymouth sleeper swam fast. This Barracuda's tail bit hard in 60s lore. Number 1. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28. Think of a racer in 67. Staging this first Z at the track, Trans Am dreams in gear. A 302 cubic inch V8 with 290 horses, closer to 350, hit 60 in 6.2 seconds, quarter mile in 13.8 seconds sharp. Cost $3,300 then, now $70,000 clean. 602 built, born to race, not cruise. Chevy's pony kicked O. This Z/28's tail defined 60s grit. That's your 15 fellas, 60s muscle definers. Which one's your decade champ? Drop it in the comments. Ever own one back then? Hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Gems, and ring the bell for more automotive gold. Keep the rubber side down.